Well, hi everybody, welcome back to Cooked with Herb. Today we're going to do a beef and dumpling. Let's do it. Yummy. Quick, easy crock pot meal. Into our crock pot, let's go in with 4 cups of reduced sodium beef broth, 1 packet of brown gravy mix, 1 tablespoon minced garlic, 1 teaspoon better than beef bouillon, 1 teaspoon of tomato paste, 1 teaspoon Italian seasoning, 1 teaspoon onion powder, 1 teaspoon of Chicago steak seasoning or any kind of steak seasoning you have, 1 teaspoon of Danos. You know we're not going to skip on the Danos. Mixy, combine this all up. 1 12-ounce bag of peas and carrots, frozen. 3 chopped up diced potatoes, just 3 russets. For the beef, I'm using 1 package of shaved steak that I chopped up. If you want, you can use regular stew beef or whatever kind you like. I just prefer this one. We're going to mix and combine all this up nicely. I'm going to put 3 tablespoons of butter on the top. Going to cook this on high for 3 hours, and then we'll be back for the next step. All right, our stew's been cooking for 3 hours. We're going to make a slurry now, get this thickened up. All right, I did 3 tablespoons of cornstarch and 2 tablespoons of water for a slurry. Now I have my honey butter Grand's biscuits. That's the kind I'm going to use. These are the bigger biscuits, so we're going to go ahead and just give them a little roll out, just so they're a little thinner. Then we're going to go ahead and we're going to cut them into 6. And then we're just going to start topping them right on top of our stew here. It's okay if they press in a little bit. All right, I used 8 biscuits cut up. So now our dumplings are in. I'm going to take 2 pieces of paper towel, back them up, put the cover back on. That way the condensation doesn't go in there. And we're going to cook this for another hour on high. All right, our beef and dumpling is done. It looks amazing. It's nice. These aren't mushy at all. I'm going to go ahead now and just get this all stirred up and get everything mixed together. Just look at that beef and dumplings. Easy, quick crock pot meal. This is going to be delicious. There we have it. Our beef and dumplings. Let's give it a try.